Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback function on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, go to the shortcuts and accessibility. Then go to Talkback, and here you can enable it. After that, Talkback tutorial starts, and it starts like talking non-stop. So when you're in Talkback, if you want to perform any action, you have to firstly select it and then double tap on it, just like this. So the same way you can disable this mode, double tap it here, select and double tap it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.